A 5.7% increase is projected for SUI by August 17 per coin data flow. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. As of this update, SUI has gone down 0.9% over the past 24 hours and is now near $0.6777. Now for today's analyst breakdown. Coin data flow expects a move towards $0.716 tomorrow, meaning an increase of approximately 5.7%. Coin price forecast projects SUI to move upward toward 68 cents, a projected gain close to 0.4%. According to CoinCodex, it may head down toward $0.6757, about 0.3% down. A separate outlook released by Traders Union projects SUI could test $0.6737 on the downside, a decline of approximately 0.6%. Finally, Gov Capital targets $0.6302 by tomorrow. That's a drop of 7%. This one stands as the top return forecast. That covers 5 expert predictions for tomorrow. Now let's move on. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decline of 7% and an increase of 5.7% depending on the analyst. That means Gov Capital is set to achieve the highest return with 7% rise in value by August 17. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $3 and $70 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinCodex's forecast leads with a 79.8% probability of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. Consensus data indicates SUI staying near $0.6751 without noticeable shift. Alright, here's the inside view. Consensus guidance indicates a 0.4% slide by tomorrow, and at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $4 more. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 79%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. Coin data flow signals the price is moving on to higher ground. For the next few days, Coin price forecast believes the market will stay stable, with volatility contained. CoinCodex indicates that prices could dip further. Also, Traders Union sees SUI losing ground. Meanwhile, Gov Capital emphasizes a downward trajectory. The consensus analysis points to SUI softening over the coming days. The analysis shows 60% of forecasts aligned on bearish expectations. The 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. Ultimately, the market closed near $0.6775. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up on the right side of the move. If we look at forecast accuracy, the best result came from CoinCodex. Now let's break it apart. Yesterday's trading range included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by CoinLore at 1.7%. Here's the detailed fact check. A side-by-side look at how every forecast turned out. At a glance, Traders Union was given 51.9% forecast probability, and 2 cents accuracy, and 0.1% ROI. Look over the numbers. Which forecast do you think held up best? Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. SUI is placed in 5th position for tomorrow's potential returns, with Cardano showing 4.8%. Here we're showing SUI alongside 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already there on my website. We're done for today, friends. If this breakdown made things clearer, show some love with a like. Catch you tomorrow.